I know we want to create content. I know we want to start making money on social media platforms. But the thing is this, some of us do not want to show our face on the social media platforms. We just want to create content and make money without showing our face. Now guys, I got you covered in case you fall into this category. So in this video, I will tell you all the necessary things that you need to put in place when starting a faceless YouTube channel. Now, if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, I am urging you to watch it from the beginning to the end, because in this video I will tell you everything that you need to know about Faceless YouTube channel, from the name down to the tools you need, down to the editing style and all of that. Name it. Trust me, you will definitely find it out in this video. So please, all I want you to do for me at this point is for you to kindly like this video, kindly share this video, kindly leave a comment, and of course do well to ask questions if you do not understand anything. Now, when starting a faceless YouTube channel, there are so many things that needs to be put in place. In this video, I am gonna mention 7 of them, but if you watch from the beginning to the end, I'll give you the last one, the 8th one, which happens to be my favorite. Now, the first thing you need to put into consideration is this: you need to look at other channels that are doing the same thing that you want to do. Truth be told, there is nothing you're going to do on YouTube that thousands of persons, if not millions of persons, are not doing that thing already. So it is imperative you look at them. I am not saying you should go ahead and download their videos and upload on your channel. No, I am telling you to model their own channel. So let's assume you want to run a faceless cooking channel. So you come here on YouTube and type Faceless Cooking Channel. Of course, you will see videos. Now, once those channels pop up, you look at their names. You understand? You look at the kind of name they are using. Now that you have looked at the kind of names they are using, you now need to decide what the name of your channel will be. Do you understand? Now, after looking at their channel, you've gotten a name for your YouTube channel. Now, the next thing you're to do is for you to look at their banner. Banner is very, very important when it comes to content creation. Even on Facebook, there is space for banner. Here on YouTube, there is space for banner. So if you're starting to create content without having a banner, how will your audience know what your content is all about? I do tell people this: without people watching your video, once they come across your YouTube channel, let your banner alone tell them what your video is all about. In a situation where you do not have a banner, or you do not have a banner telling people what you're doing, this is what always cause low click-through rate for some persons, because some persons might see your channel thinking that you do a particular thing. Once they click on your video and you're talking about something else, they'll just close it and quickly leave. And when someone watches your video for just few seconds and leaves it, it is sending a bad signal to the algorithm. Now, after getting a name, after getting a banner, next thing you're to look out for is their titles. How do they structure their titles? Is their title searchable? See, let me tell you one thing that most persons might not tell you. You see, YouTube is one of the biggest SEO, search engine optimization. Once most persons encounter challenges, they run to YouTube to search for answers to their questions. See, even when you run to Google, have you realized that sometimes you go on Google, you look for a particular thing, at the end of the day, Google is suggesting a YouTube video for you? Have you ever seen that? Have you thought of why it happened that way? Now, this is why YouTube is one of the biggest SEO. So, when structuring your titles, ensure that they are searchable. Your titles must be searchable. A good example of a searchable title is how to cook coconut rice. How to cook coconut rice. Because if someone is looking forward to cooking coconut rice, let's assume this person cannot cook coconut rice. The person comes on YouTube. What will the person search? The person is going to search how to cook coconut rice. The person will not just type coconut rice. I don't know if you get my point. Or the person will not just type rice. So what are the key words there? Coconut and rice. Then how? How to cook coconut rice. That is a fully optimized title. You understand? Now, next thing you have to look at is their about page. Their about page is also very important. Your channel shouldn't be about cooking. Your channel shouldn't be about tech. Yet your about page is talking about entertainment. Your about page is talking about celebrity news, celebrity gossips, and all of that. Your about page must be properly optimized with good SEO based words. You understand? Now, if you do not know how to go about writing your about page, go on ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about. Tell it to use relevant keywords to write about page for you. Trust me, if your about page is good to go, you are one step closer to going viral. Now, after optimizing your about page, next thing you have to do is for you to choose a niche. You need to choose a niche. Truth be told, you can't be doing everything on your channel. If on your channel you're cooking, your same channel you're talking about tech, your same channel you're talking about entertainment, you're talking about politics, you're talking about everything, YouTube will be confused. YouTube will not know what your channel is really all about. So it will be difficult for YouTube to push out your content. Now, if you want to talk about cooking, if you want to teach us how to cook, fine. Do you understand? Let us know you for cooking. If you have passion for something else, let's say tech, you can create another YouTube channel and begin to talk about tech. You understand? If you have the strength, you can manage more than 3-4 channels. It is left for you. So do not do everything on one channel thinking that you will go viral. Now, I see some persons do like 2 to 3 things on their YouTube channel, and my advice for them is this: once any of your videos pick up, that particular niche that picks up on your channel, focus on that niche, because that is what your audience want to see. One big mistake that most content creators make is this: if they talk about 2 to 3 things on their YouTube channels and one of their videos go viral, instead of them to focus on that particular niche that has gone viral, you see them do something else, and later on their numbers of views will now return to what they used to have before the viral video. You understand? Now, after getting a niche, what you have to do is this: you need to look out for trends in that niche. Look out for topics that are trending in that niche. Truth be told, if you follow trends in your niche, you are another step closer to going viral. You understand? Because this is how the algorithm works. Once a particular topic is trending in your niche, people are creating content on it. You too, you are creating content on it. As YouTube is recommending other people's content on that particular title, trust me, your video with that same title will be recommended alongside. So as people are watching your video, they are watching other people's videos as well. One thing I love telling my people is this: if you want to recreate someone's video, if you want to jump on trends, the best thing for you to do is this: watch other videos, then make your own research. Make your video a little bit different from the one that you watch. Do not just copy verbatim without adding anything to it, because someone might come online, watch a particular video, and that person has not gotten what he really wants. That will make that person to abandon that video and click on another. So imagine someone coming on YouTube looking for a particular thing, and the person ends up watching like 10 videos and they're saying the same thing. If it were you, how will you feel? So this is why you need to add some spices. You need to add some things in your own video to make it stand out. Once your video stands out, that will make people to willingly subscribe to your YouTube channel without you even begging them. Now, next thing you have to look out for is the best AI to use. Remember, you do not want to show your face. Remember, you don't want to show your face. Now, and remember that your channel is not monetized yet. So in order for you to do this, you need AI tools that are totally free. AI tools that can help you generate this content without you spending 1 naira. You understand? So guys, I have list of AI tools, free AI tools that you can use to generate your content from the beginning to the end without you spending a dime. If you're interested, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video revealing these AI tools that are totally free to you so that it will help your content creation. You understand? Now, another thing, and this is my favorite. I told you guys that if you watch it to this point, that I will tell you the last one for free. So this last one is for people who exercise patience and watch up to this point. Next thing you have to do is for you to check their editing style. How do they edit their videos? How do they edit their thumbnail? How do they design their thumbnail? These are the things that you should look out for, because when it comes to editing, it plays a very vital role if your video will go far or not. When it comes to thumbnail also plays a very vital role when it comes to your video going viral. So you check their editing style and you check the way they design their thumbnail. Trust me on this one. There is no how you put all these things into practice that your videos will not go viral and you won't monetize in less than 6 months. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. If you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. Kindly turn on your notification bell so that when I drop another amazing video like this one, you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.